AI image generation has revolutionized how we create visual content. Two platforms stand out in this rapidly evolving field: MidJourney and Leonardo AI. Both offer incredible capabilities for transforming text into stunning visuals. This comparison aims to help you understand their unique strengths and weaknesses. We'll explore which tool might be the best fit for your specific creative or educational needs. Whether you're an artist, educator, or student, choosing the right AI can significantly enhance your projects. MidJourney has long been a frontrunner in AI art generation. It's renowned for producing highly aesthetic and often dreamlike images. Its strength lies in its ability to interpret complex prompts with artistic flair. Users typically interact with MidJourney through a Discord bot. This interface, while powerful, can have a slight learning curve for newcomers. However, its consistent output quality makes it a favorite among many digital artists. MidJourney excels at creating beautiful, high-resolution artistic pieces. It's particularly strong in generating imaginative landscapes, character art, and abstract concepts. The platform operates on a subscription model, offering various tiers for different usage levels. Leonardo AI offers a different approach to AI image creation. It provides a more comprehensive suite of tools and greater control over the generation process. This platform is built for both artistic expression and practical application. One of Leonardo AI's key advantages is its extensive library of fine-tuned models. These models are trained on specific datasets, allowing for more precise and themed image generation. You can also train your own custom models. Leonardo AI features a user-friendly web interface, making it accessible even for beginners. It offers various tools like image prompting, image-to-image generation, and even 3D texture generation. A generous free tier is available, providing daily tokens for image creation. The primary distinction lies in their core philosophy. MidJourney prioritizes artistic output with minimal user intervention, focusing on aesthetic appeal. Leonardo AI emphasizes control and versatility, offering more customization options. MidJourney's strength is its out-of-the-box artistic quality. If you need stunning, high-concept art quickly and are less concerned with minute details, MidJourney often delivers. Its results are consistently impressive for general artistic purposes. Leonardo AI shines when you need specific styles, objects, or compositions. Its fine-tuned models and advanced settings allow for greater precision. This makes it ideal for design mock-ups, educational illustrations, or generating assets for games and presentations. Regarding accessibility, MidJourney requires a Discord account and a paid subscription for significant use. Leonardo AI offers a free tier, making it a great starting point for experimentation. Its web interface is also more intuitive for many users. For educators and students, Leonardo AI's free access and control features can be highly beneficial. It allows for hands-on learning and practical application without immediate financial commitment. MidJourney might be preferred for advanced art projects or professional artistic endeavors. So, which one is best for you? If your goal is to create breathtaking artistic images with minimal fuss, and you appreciate a more hands-off approach, MidJourney is an excellent choice. Its unique aesthetic is hard to replicate. If you require more control over your image generation, need specific styles, or want to train custom models, Leonardo AI is the clear winner. Its versatility and robust feature set cater to a wider range of practical and creative needs. The free tier is also a significant advantage for learning and exploration. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your specific project requirements and personal workflow. Both platforms are powerful, constantly evolving, and capable of producing incredible AI-generated images. We encourage you to explore both to discover which one aligns best with your creative vision.